This is my cultural reflection presentation on the culture of Italy. Origins and history of Italy. Italy was the homeland of the Romans and the metropole of the Roman Empire. Rome was founded as a kingdom in 753 BC and became a republic in 509 BC, when the monarchy was overthrown in favor of a government of the Senate and the people. When Italy emerged into the light of history about 700 BC, it was already inhabited by various peoples of different cultures and languages. Gender. Traditionally, men went out to work and women took care of the home. However, after World War II, women became known for having lots of independence. In present-day Italy, women participate in every aspect of political, economic, and social life. Women can attend college and do hard labor work. Men and women are equal under law. Italian women are considered to have the most freedom in Europe. Religion. 90% of the Italian population is Roman Catholic. Vatican City, which is located in Rome, is the center of the Roman Catholic religion. It is very sacred to Roman Catholics. There are many churches in Vatican City that contain sacred shrines and relics. Roman Catholics believe in the afterlife, meaning evil will be punished and good will be rewarded. Since they believe in afterlife, respect for the dead is always expected, meaning if you do not attend a family member or friend's wake, it will fracture friendships. Food. No one who enters an Italian home should fail to receive an offering of food and drink. There are special foods for various occasions. There is a special St. Joseph's bread, Easter bread with hard-boiled eggs, St. Lucy's Eyes for her feast day, and the Feast of the Seven Fishes for New Year's Eve. Wine is served with meals routinely. In general, more veal is found in the north, where meals tend to be lighter. Southern cooking has a reputation of being heavier and more substantial than northern cooking. In more recent times, the family may use the later meal of the day as a family meal.